honestly, this song is very, very special to my heart. And every, I think, actor, every hero in his career wants a song like that and craves for a song like that. I'm very grateful. कितनी जल्दी मेरे करियर में हाँ सॉरी अभी आ गई इतनी जल्दी मेरे करियर में मुझे ऐसा एक गाना मिल गया थैंक्स टू ऑब्वियसली सचिन जिगर एंड हु गिवन मी द सॉन्ग सेकंड टाइम आई एम डूइंग अ मूवी विद देम आई कैन दावे के साथ कह सकता हूँ ये इनका बेस्ट वर्क है मेरा बेस्ट एल्बम है मेरे छोटे करियर में एंड थैंक यू श्रीराम थैंक यू डीनू एंड अबव ऑल थैंक यू अहमद सर सेकंड टाइम आई एम डूइंग अ सॉन्ग विद हिम ऑल्सो ये बहुत ज़्यादा सीनियर है बहुत ज़्यादा यंग दिखते हैं तो किसी को पता नहीं चलता पर thank you so much. At short notice, you came in, helped us out with this song, and what a fabulous job you've done. One more person I have to thank is Mr. Anil Mehta, जो DOP है film के. He's shot this film beautifully. So just thank you everyone for being here. I want to call on stage my producer and director, without whom I wouldn't be here today. So first, Dino and Shriram, please come on stage. I think we should call the men behind the song who've not spoken as yet. That's Ahmad sir and Sachin. If they can come and say a few words as well. Ahmad sir, you can tell us your experience about this song and your ideas and conceptualization, and because it's very different from a lot of stuff that we usually see in films over here. So,
hi everybody. Firstly, the director over here, he's got some allergy with songs. So whenever you say Gana karna hai, choreographer chahiye, to his mustache goes upwards. And he says, why? So that's a good beginning. Secondly, he has an actor who can only do the best dancing in the film industry. So this is a lethal combination. So, and there comes my friend in Mr. Dino, who said, Ahmad, kuch aisa karna hai jo bahut outstanding lage. And then he showed me the promo. And which I said, boss, ये promo is it's a very hard-hitting film. इसमें गाना कैसे करेंगे? Then he's the boy who kept calling and he kept giving ideas. He said, I'm going to go all out, whatever you want, however you want. And then I met Sachin Jigar and he made me hear the song. And I said, boss, I think so. This is, it's been 20 years of my career. As he said, do I look young? I don't know, but so then
he's taking part in DID Lil Kids as a contestant this time. That's how young he is.
So then I said, boss, I think so we need to kill it. And Varun came on board. And this is the kind of dance what you try to do is basically it's called crumping. And I always wanted to do with all the actors. And all due respect to all the actors, I never got a opportunity because they couldn't do it. So I thought this would be the best guy to do it. And when I showed Varun the steps, and I think so, I thought he'll take a while, but believe you me, before I reached the rehearsal hall, he was done and he had gone off. So then my assistant said that, sir, we have killed it. And Varun has really got the song right up his sleeves and in his pocket. And then we shot it and hear what it is. And I was very happy. Dino loved it. Varun loved it. But I got a message from one guy saying, Ahmad, I like the song, thanks. And that's Shriram. So that's when I said, boss, I think so we have got the song. So I said, boss, we have made it. And he roped in the screenplay and there it is. And I really feel it's one of my, I don't know how do you like it, but it's one of my best work. And all thanks to the only guy, that's Varun, because he performed in that manner, gave that entire expression, aggression, crumping, crying, and kept it more musical, not just a very hardcore, hard-hitting song. So it's a good, I can say, a mission. And thanks, guys.